Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Sichuan flavored stir-fried eggplant with minced pork. This is one of the most popular home-cooked dishes in China. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to cut the eggplant like this. Add some salt to the eggplant. Mix well and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Now the eggplant is marinated, we can squeeze the juice out of it. When stir-frying eggplant, it will absorb too much oil. But if we do this, less oil will be required. In this way, it will also be healthier. Now prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the eggplant into the pan. Stir fry until it becomes soft. Then take the eggplant out from the pan. Now we can cut some pork and mince it. It would be better to choose a small piece of pork with some fat. Also chop some scallion and mince some ginger. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the ginger and scallion into the pan. Stir fry a little bit. Then add the minced pork into the pan. Stir fry until the pork is cooked. Now add some Sichuan broad bean paste. Mix well. Then we can add the eggplant into the pan. Mix well and stir fry again. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, half spoon of dark soy sauce. Mix well. In the end, add some scallion onto the top. Turn off the heat and it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.